I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own Minecraft hosting. First, decide if you'll use a dedicated server or a virtual private server. Next, confirm your computer has sufficient resources, ideally at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth operation. Then, download the official server software directly from the Mojang website. This initial setup is crucial for a stable and enjoyable gaming experience for you and your friends. Once the software is downloaded, it's time to configure your server. You'll need to edit the server properties file to tailor the game to your preferences. Here, you can adjust settings like difficulty, game mode, and the maximum number of players allowed. Remember to allocate enough RAM, usually between 2 and 4 GB, to ensure optimal performance and prevent lag during gameplay. To allow others to join your server, you must enable remote access. This involves configuring port forwarding on your router. The standard Minecraft port is 25565 TCP, which needs to be open. After setting this up, you can share your public IP address with friends. They will use this address to connect to your server and start playing together. Maintaining your server ensures a long-lasting and fun experience. Always back up your world files regularly to safeguard against any data loss. You might also explore installing various plugins to enhance gameplay and introduce exciting new features. Finally, consistently monitor your server's performance and update the software as necessary to keep everything running smoothly and securely for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.